Boom, so look, I'm back with another video. This time we're doing a POV and cinematic. This shit looks so good, y'all. This shit looks so fucking good to me. Okay, we see the sun rising. Look at that. We on the way back to the lab. Now, I'm tripping, I'm stuttering and shit. We on the way back to Atlanta from Memphis. I went to Memphis for the weekend. Just to get away from Atlanta and shit like that. But yeah, it's a nice little scenery and whatnot. Let's see. See if anybody want to play. I'm turning the heat on a little bit. It's a little colder than the motherfucker. It's a little cold in this bit. Get it. Let's see. I don't like that sun bright as shit. That's better. See the scenery ain't shit out here but trees. Let me show y'all the interior though. The interior though. It's a little junky right now, but shit, it's cool. It's cool, it's cool, it's cool. Little point of view. I wish I had seen some damn sports cars and shit so I can put this motherfucker to the test. I'm back on stock, so it's moving a way lot smoother right now than when I was on 24s. This shit. Let's see. Nothing but old ass cars and trucks on the highway right now. I ain't got too much to choose from, you know? I'm trying to goddamn put this motherfucker to the test. You feel me? Trying to put this bitch to the test and it ain't working because ain't nothing on the highway. Let's see if he wants some. Let's see if he wants some smoke. Alright, let's get a little toast in here now. Shit. But yeah, this is my first point of view. If y'all fucking with him, leave a thumbs up and a comment telling me what else y'all want to see. You know, I'm new to this YouTube shit, trying to take it serious. You know, trying to become an entrepreneur and shit. You know, start the social media world. Yeah, I got the platform. I just gotta use this shit. You know. Ooh, I'm a little dusty right now, but look. If y'all new to my channel, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I will be posting a video every other day. I'm not gonna say every day because I ain't even gonna lie like that. I ain't got time to post every day. But every other day, probably, I'm gonna try to post 3 to 4 times a week. If not, y'all can be on my ass, y'all can unsubscribe, y'all can do whatever. Just know, if I don't upload 3 to 4 times a week, be on my ass. Like, that's all I'm asking for. Be on my ass. Be like, Trey, why you ain't uploading? Trey, why you ain't uploading? What a video, Trey, yeah. I'm trying to be consistent. I'm trying to be y'all bangers. I'm trying something new. I'm really not big on recording my whole life, but shit, we're gonna do vlogs, we're gonna do car shit, we're gonna do car meets, I might bring girls to the channel. I might bring a girl to the channel. I ain't gonna say girls because you know how that shit goes. I start fucking with them. Y'all gonna be on my ass talking about, oh, you did this and that. Look. This is what I'm on right now. I'm not looking for a relationship. I'm just looking for somebody to vibe with, you know, one person to vibe with. If that leads to a relationship, then fuck it. If not, then shit, we had a good time, you feel me? But yeah, make sure, man, look, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.